Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to deploy and serverless applications and API in AWS Lambda function with the help of this amazing tool known as Apex Op, and we will integrate Travis CI for deploying this application to the Lambda in a full automatic manner. So let's get started. Uh, First of all, you need to know about this AWS Lambda function. Prerequisites are you need to know about AWS Lambda function, Travis CI, and the Apex Op tool. Uh, I will guide you to the to how to deploy the serverless application in AWS Lambda with the help of Apex Op and Travis CI step by step. So follow me, guys. So let me go to the terminal. So here I will change the directory to mm, I will change the directory to test cd lambda Travis, and here let me check out my branch. So I am in a tut branch, and so I have an application. Here is an express application. You can create apply you can install op in the application in your system first, and you can check if the application is running locally or not. So let's check that. So my application is running locally, so let me click here. So the so it says hello from the production. So what I will do now is that first of all I will manually deploy. First of all, I will manually deploy the application with Apex Op tool. So what you guys have to do first is that you guys have to install the Op tool. So here is an article written by me. So you can I will paste the link of this article in the description. So you can go to this article and find how to install. Mm, uh, op tool. So in the middle here, I have given how to install an op tool. So you just copy this and paste this. So I will not do that here because I have already installed. So you just copy and paste that, and you will be having op tool ready in your system. Then what you have to do is that just type op version to check the version of the op tool. So here my version is 1.5.1, and this is a version of in the time of recording the video. So yeah, so let's deploy uh, uh, our this express application in the AWS Lambda up. So for doing that, first of all I need to install AWS CLI tool in my system. So again, let's go to this article. So here, for if you want to deploy application Lambda on from your system manually, then you need to do install AWS CLI. So yeah, so you can use this one. So I will paste this and give the passport. So I have already installed, so it is showing that already a newest version. So yeah, so after installing that, you have to do let's configure. Then you have to give the AWS access key ID of your account. I have already given AWS secret access key ID of your account, and default region in where your application will be deployed. And in this case, I have given AP South 1, which is Mumbai, and I have given the output format will be of a text. You can give of any format, just like a JSON and text, YML, or you whichever you are comfortable. So yeah, so after configuring that, uh, you guys will be all ready to use up and deploy application with up manually from your system. So what you have to do is that, first of all, go to the project directory where which project you want to deploy to the mhm, AWS Lambda. So so I am in my project directory. So I will do is that I will just write I will just type command up, and will build. So wait, let me here I have opt.json file. So let me first remove this opt.json file. I will show you guys from the scratch. So now I don't have any opt.json file. So this then I will do it from scratch. So let me use type a command up for deploying our express application to the express application to the AWS Lambda. So I will type up. So since there is no object.json file, uh, the command prompt will be there is a prompt of an input. So it will ask you create a new project. So I will type yes, give a name of a project. So I will give lambda Travis. So a default for AWS profile. So it is, I will give it default. So region, so in which AWS region you want to deploy lambda. So I will give US East Ohio, and it is deploying the application. So you just wait for a while, and it will deploy your application. It will take a few minutes, and yeah, will deploy your application in the AWS Lambda, and it will provide you an endpoint of an API gateway that it has created for your Lambda. So Up will deploy your application in AWS Lambda, and also create an API gateway that will invoke your API Lambda function, so that you can access your code. So it is building and stack. So after the completion of the stack, and it will give you an endpoint of an API gateway. So now you can see that it has given an endpoint of an API gateway. So and let me click to this link. So yeah, it says hello from the production. So up until, so when we run this locally, it also says hello from the production, and when we have run this from the Lambda, then it also said that hello from the production. So yes, we have done it successfully. What Op has done is that Op has created an AWS Lambda function. Wait, I will show you in my AWS account. So Op has created an AWS Lambda API gateway, and it has also created an Lambda function. Internet is a bit slow. So yeah, it has created Lambda function 2 minutes ago, and yes, and this Lambda function is invoked by this API gateway. This API gateway. Yeah. So the endpoint of an API gateway is this, which we have seen in our command line as well, CMD. So yeah, in this way, AWS has created an API gateway and Lambda function. So and this let me delete this first. So you can write a command op stack delete. It will ask yes or no, then yes, then it will op will automatically delete the uh, lambda function and API gateway which yeah, it has created previously. So uh, we don't need to go and find and delete it manually. We just run that op stack delete, then it will delete all the resources that it has created. uh, it keeps track of all the resources from this file of, let me show you the file of .json. So this is the file which it keeps track of, and it will check all the resources and it will deploy. So yeah, and it will deploy and it will delete as well. So as we have deleted, there won't be any lambda function name lambda Travis right now when I refresh. So you can see there is no any lambda function lambda Travis function that was created uh, a bit just a moment before by an op, because I have deleted that. So and let's go and create an lambda function through and with op apex op tool, and with the help of Travis CI we will be doing it Travis CI full automation, uh, so that nothing is manual, and whenever you push the code in a GitHub or in a Bitbucket and any repo where your source code of your application is stored, then it will automatically deploy your application to AWS Lambda. So let me first open VS Code. So this is the file. uh, so let me explain you everything. So this is an op.json file which we have created just now by typing op in the command line, and it has created this file. Then what we have to do is that this is our application running in express application, which can also be run locally, and now we have to deploy this application to AWS Lambda, so with the help of Travis. So what we have to do is that mm, we have to create a file name .travis.yml, and we have to mm, mm, so this is the file. So I have written this .travis.yml a few minutes ago. So this is it, and I will explain you each and every line. So this Ubuntu means it will I'll take an image Ubuntu image, and it will run a virtual machine with an Ubuntu operating system. It will give a pseudo privileged password and a language for that language for testing. Our application is Node.js language, and we will using version 10 of Node.js. And git depth false means uh, it will not cache the git code, so that it can see the changes. And branch only tut means it will only be trigger if the tut name branch uh, push the file to the GitHub. So if the dev or any master branch pushes the file, then it won't be executed uh, because there is only a tut branch here. And what we have done here in the install section is that we have installed the apex. We have installed apex op tool for deploying our application to AWS Lambda. uh, and in the this deploy section we have deploy provider is script. So we have deployed a script, and here in the script we are giving command. So first of all, what we have done is that we have done yarn, which install all the dependencies of our node an Node Express application which will be cloned by the Travis CI in this virtual machine, which Travis CI clone this repository to its virtual machine with an operating system Ubuntu, and it will install yarn, and it will what it will do is that it will simply opt deploy. So we have opt.json file in our repository, so it will not ask uh, any prompt input from the user in the command line, because we have opt.json file already. So it will install uh, it install it will install apex, and it will install all the dependencies from package.json file. It will install all the dependencies, and it will deploy your application, and on all branches equals to true, means on all branches equals to true. This can also be done as it's all branch equals to, not all branch, all branch can be tuts. So it doesn't make any sense that if we pick all branch here, because we are giving only a branch named tut here, and we are deploying by giving your all branch, then it doesn't make sense. So you can also give this way. So let me save this travis.yml file. So I have changed something in this travis.yml file. So now I will change index.js file. So let me change this message from hello from DevOps tutorials. So yes, so let me change. So let me check in which branch I am. Git ancs git branch. So I'm in tut branch. So let me git status. So let me check the status. So I have modified travis.yml. I have modified index.js. So I have modified opt.json file. So let me git add this all file, modify file, then git uh, commit -m uh, new files added. So let me git push this code to the origin. My branch is tuts. So let me push this code. So what it has said is that I have mistaken. I have written this origin spelling wrong. So let me correct it. So git push origin tuts. So I have pushed my code to the GitHub in a tut branch. So let me go. So here we cannot find, here we are not, we cannot find any AWS lambda function name lambda Travis. So and here we are not, we can, there is no any API gateway as well. So after, so here, so this is a Travis dashboard, and I have enabled Git. I have enabled this Git repository with Travis CI. So here is one job in a queue. So let me check the request. So request, we have just given request, a new files added, and 14. It is a 14th request. So in a matter of seconds, it will be executed. So yeah, here we can see that our Travis has executed its build and its job, and yeah, And one thing, the access key for deploying with Travis, the access key and the secret key of the AWS, you have to keep these files in here in the setting of the repository of Travis. And in the Travis dashboard, go to your repository and go to the settings, and you can keep this AWS secret key and AWS secret access key and secret key here. It is secure and it will be accessed only by Travis. And yeah, in this way you give environment variable in Travis. So yes, we have successfully deployed our 14th job, and it is successfully passed. And so let us check our lambda function has been created or not. So let me refresh. So yeah, our lambda function has been created with by Travis, and uh, it is created just a 45 second ago, and it is 7.3 MB of size. After code size is that, and it, let me check, it has created API gateway or not. So API gateway is also created. So let me check. So here is it is our endpoint of an our AWS lambda functions API gateways endpoint. This endpoint will provoke our this lambda function, this lambda function. So what this lambda function should this URL should show is that, what this URL should show is that, let me show you locally as well. So since I have changed in index.js file, hello world from DevOps tutorial, later previously it was hello world from production. So you can do up start for local running. So here you can see localhost 3000. So you can see hello world from DevOps tutorial, and what you have to see in the API gateways endpoint, that points our lambda function which we have deployed from op tool, and integrated Travis for use Travis for the deployment, uh, is same, this same what we are seeing locally. We have to see that as same thing in our endpoint of our API gateway, which point our lambda Travis named lambda function. So let's go and let's open this. So yeah, here we can see hello world from DevOps tutorial, which we have seen locally, that has been deployed to our lambda AWS lambda function. Tada! It is so this is not so complex, and it is simple as that only. So that's it for this video, guys. And please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like button, because I spent so much time and efforts for making these types of video. So any like and subscription from you guys helps me and motivate me for making such types of video, for further future as well. So if you have any doubts in this, if you have any doubts in this applying for deploying APIs and application in Lambda with Apex Op tool, I will be coming up with a new series with of Op tool, Op tools, full tutorials and series of only Apex Op tool. So I will be uploading that very soon. And that is my future plan. So yeah, thank you, and if thank you, and I hope this video was informative. And the article and the article I have written about how to deploy your APIs in AWS Lambda with Apex tool and implemented CI/CD with Travis yeah, is in a in a my vlog channel. So I will give the link of that website as well in the description below. And yeah, thank you. And thank you for everyone watching this video.